my friends, I hope you're doing well today. For us, designing social media is easy and beautiful, and everything about it is simple. We'll use good quality images. We're going to look at an extremely excellent design. The first thing we'll do is go to File, then click on New. We'll choose our size, which is 1200 by 1200 pixels, Vision 300 RGB colors. Then click OK. It will show us the size that we chose. Next, we'll choose the background in our color overlay. We'll choose the yellow color. This color code is color code. Then click OK. After that, we'll upload the image of the chips from our storage, and we'll do Control to from the keyboard. After that, we'll reduce it a bit and leave it in the text. Then we'll upload a curve and we'll work as a clipping mask. We'll work on the product in our purchase and we'll do Control of any from the keyboards, and we'll leave the color in white. And we'll bring the brush and we'll darken the side on the right. We'll reduce the brush a bit and we'll click like this. In order to proceed with us, as you see, the most crucial thing is to select high quality photos. Any image I use will be mentioned in the description. You will follow exactly what I do. Precisely, we previously darkened the right side, before and after. As you see, we'll proceed like this later. The next step will be that we get our table. We will minimize it. We will keep it underneath our product. Precisely as you see, we will slightly enlarge the table and flip a bit of it. It brings a dynamic mode, which will be beneficial for our design. We'll proceed to the product's image and flip it slightly. We will flip it just a bit, as you see. Everything is simple and there's nothing difficult at all. I'm trying to make things simpler for you. Things are excellent. After that, we will obtain the image of the potatoes and we will press Ctrl+T on the keyboard and shrink it. Afterward, we will fetch the chip's image and press Ctrl+T on the keyboard, minimize it slightly and distribute the chips. We place it here, put it here, it doesn't matter, it's up to your eyes. After that, we will copy it, put one here, and also take a copy. We put it here, but we will make it a bit smaller. We can shrink it like this, as you see, in a magnificent way. After that, we will bring this spark picture to remove our background. We will change its mood. Instead, we will not make it normal. We will make it screen as you see, and Hindus as you are, you see that it gave us a beautiful mood for our design. After that, we will get a picture of the tree leaves. We will make Ctrl+T from the keyboard and reduce it like this and put it behind the picture of our chips like you are see, and we get one and put it here like this and get one and put it here like you see. Easy design. It is almost finished with us. It has no complications. Very beautiful design. Like you see that we are almost done with our design. We will put some shadow and some lights for it. Our design is over, but that's it. There's no other picture we'll use. We'll enlarge, but the product and the chips and the table with us, we will gather them like this in the sewers and make Control from the keyboard and enlarge like this. We grow again until you are in the right angle, the most important thing. My friends, if you like the video, forget to like and follow. I get tired in these videos, I get tired in them a lot, and I try to reach. You have the information as simple as possible. If you like the video, do not forget the admiration and the repentant and an encouraging comment from you. Hey buddy, come on. Next we're going into the bucket and the light, and we're going into the colors. The first thing we're starting with is the bucket. We're creating a shadow for our product. We're creating a layer underneath. We bring the color and make it a dark black. Like you can see, we're grabbing our brush and leaving it to sleep. That sleeping brush you see. We're going to enlarge it a bit, but raise the flow a bit. We click. As you can see, we're doing control to adjust the shade of the product so that it's correct. We bring it down a little bit and raise it up like you see. Just like you see, we've created a beautiful and wonderful shadow. Without anything, player one, with the black brush, we fix everything. We're creating a layer to wipe away some of the excesses that are in our bucket. We click nicely, that's beautiful, we've done it nicely. We've created the shade of the product from below. We're taking a copy of our shade and putting it under the potatoes. We Control-T a little like this. We do Control-T from the keyboard and we turn it like this and put it down a little bit. We reduce the opacity a bit and do the same thing. We create a mask and delete the excesses that come out. As you can see, we've created a shadow for our product, and we also did for the potatoes. Now, we want to add a shadow to our table as well. We'll create a layer beneath the table and we'll use the color black. We'll bring our brush and our sleeping brush and we'll grow it and step on it. The shadow is a bit light over here, and over here it's a bit heavy. It's a bit light in this area, and here is an Indian click. It's simple. The shadow is light. As you can see, we've created shadows for our product, the potatoes, and our table. We want to reduce the opacity of the potato bucket just a smidgen. We'll lower it and then raise it. As you can see, we're able to control it like this. And that's how you can control it. We first work on our light, then bring in a solid yellow color in our brush, as well as a normal rounded brush. You can see we will grow like so. We adjust the flow, click the mouse again, and change the mud color screen to the beautiful screen you see here. We work on the layer above the product, bring in a brush, and work on the screen. We reduce the flow slightly and reduce the size of our brush a bit. We then press the dosa key, the shift key, and the endus dosa tani. You make the brush a little smaller, and the light will be on the product, just like you see here. We slightly decrease the brush size, and the light remains on the product, just as you see here. This is a simple and straightforward design, suitable for beginners as well as professionals. As you can see here, the design is not tedious, but appealing and beautiful. We want to continue casting shadows on the product. We create a layer and then make a clipping mask afterwards. After that, we will bring the gradient tool and then bring the black color. After that, we will pull this out from the mouse like you see exactly. We can do it neatly and reduce the opacity a bit, as you see. There's not much more than the colors. We'll adjust the coldness here. The background we bought will make it darker here and lighter here, go up and create a curve and change its depth. We'll leave it playing, do Ctrl A, and keep this in white. We'll decrease the flow a little and set it to 29. We'll grow it uniformly like this, then throw our bucket on the desk. We'll work and create a creeping mask and change the mood with our Mart play. And we'll do Ctrl A. We'll reduce our brush a little and put the bucket on the desk. It stays like a fell. There's not much more than the colors, and we're going to use the colors in our colors. We'll use a camera raw filter. We'll do so and collect all the billions like this. And we'll work from the keyboard Ctrl-Shift-E, and it will be on the filter. And we'll get the camera raw filter of the design being completed in a second. Here we are. We'll provide a bit of yellow, and here we'll open the design with our purchase with a little bit of color. It stays according to your eye, the colors. According to your eye here, the colors according to what you see the design how. Here we will contrast. We'll provide a bit of the highlights according to your eye, all that is in the design according to your eye, the colors according to. Your eye will provide a little bit, as you see exactly that here. And so we finished the design with our design. The design was not from us. It was an easy design time, a delicious design. We used good quality pictures. We met with a great design. And if you liked the video, don't forget the like and follow up and support me. See you, my friend. Bye, my friend.